Hello everybody, how have you been? I am Mayara Formenton, but you can call me Maya or Ma. I am 21 years old and I celebrate my birthday on July. I was born in Araraquara, São Paulo, but I consider me São Carlense. I study statistics at the Federal University of São Carlos and I am 6th semester. I like study estimators, hypothesis tests, confidential intervals, and I like it so much market research. I am part of Statistics Week and I worked there as a marketing director. It was pretty cool. I work at Company Junior of Statistics. There is amazing and I am learning a lot. Actually, I am director of the commercial relations. About my work, I am responsible for entering and keeping in touch with clients. I have to sell statistical projects and I must create topics to the meetings. Well, I live with my parents and my brother. I have a dog, her name is Lilo from the Disney cartoon Lilo and Stitch. And I also have two calopsitas. Their names are Ney and Amora. I love music, especially playing guitar. I also play flute and a little piano. I always listen to music on my cell phone and in the car while driving. I really like to ride a motorcycle and I like ringing out with my friends and my family and I like to go out with my dog. I graduated as an administrative technician where I started to like the business and it was a great incentive for me to study statistics today. I took a course to learn Italian, but due to my needs, I chose to study English. My days vary according to my university semester. Normally, I get up early, I go to university, spend a lot of time studying and working, talking to my friends and my teachers. I go home, I take a good shower and I rest. I consider myself a funny person. I like my sense of humor. I guess I am very dedicated and I like to search for new knowledge. Well, this is a little of me. Anything? Check out my contact information. Bye bye!